Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make soft-boiled eggs in the Mealthy Multipot. If you've made soft-boiled eggs before, you know that they can be tricky. Everyone prefers a different consistency of the yolk. A few minutes or sometimes seconds can mess with that perfect consistency that you want. And these eggs are also relatively trickier to peel as compared to hard-boiled eggs. So I highly recommend you also check out the detailed post linked in the description below before you make these eggs in the multipot, because in that post I've shared a few variations and some tips to get the perfect consistency that you want. Of course, you can start by trying my go-to method for making soft-boiled eggs in the multipot, which is what I've shared in this video. So let's get started, shall we? For making soft-boiled eggs, first add 1.5 cups of water to the inner steel pot and ensure to use really cold water for this. Then place the trivet in the pot and start placing the eggs on the trivet. I have used refrigerated eggs straight from the fridge and I recommend you do the same. Once the eggs are in, close the lid and ensure that the multipot is sealed. Now press the pressure cook button and select the time to be 2 minutes, pressure level to be low and pressure release style to be natural. After the 2-minute cooking cycle is complete, wait for 1 minute on the display before you press the pressure release button. You'll then see the multipot release steam, and when the pot is depressurized, the red float valve will go down. It's now safe to open the lid and remove the eggs. Once you get the eggs out of the pot, transfer them directly to an ice bath. This will stop the cooking process and the eggs will not be overcooked. I usually let the eggs sit in the ice bath for about 5 minutes or so before I start peeling them. And I have peeled 2 eggs in this video, boiled at different times in the multipot. This first one was boiled for 2 minutes low pressure with immediate quick pressure release, and as you can see, while it is soft boiled, it is not easy to peel, even though it does hold firm. This second egg I boiled for 2 minutes low pressure and waited for 1 minute after the cooking cycle was complete before releasing the pressure from the pot, like I showed in this video. And as you can see, this one is much easier to peel and also perfectly soft boiled. Though both eggs are soft boiled and do hold firm, the second one is easier to peel, which is why it's best to wait for 1 minute after the cooking cycle is complete for easier to peel eggs. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.